Hello, welcome to your speaking test for Academy Stars 1 and Unit 7 and 8. So, are you ready?
Yes.
Yes. But before that, can you introduce yourself? What is your name?
My name's Maya.
Maya. And how old are you, Maya? You are 8. How are you today? You are happy today. So, let's begin your speaking test, Maya. So your speaking test, it has 4 parts. Let's begin with the first part of your speaking test. Where is the girl's head? Number 1, number 4, 5, 8, or 9?
Number 1.
Number 1. Where is the girl's leg?
Number 8.
Number 8. Where is the girl's hand?
Number 4.
Good job. How about the girl's skirt?
Number 5.
Good job. And how about her shoes?
Number 9.
Very good. So let's move on to the boy. What is the boy? Where is the boy's ear?
Number 3.
Number 3. How about his trousers?
Number 7.
How about t-shirt?
Number 6.
Where is the boy's cap?
Number 2.
Where is the boy's socks?
Number 10.
Okay, good job, Maya. You did a great job in the first part of your speaking test. Please speak louder. So in the second part, you will place the objects. Okay, what can you see? What is this?
It will have.
Okay, it's a red or a pink hat. Can you move the hat to the girl's head? Okay, good job. What's this?
Yeah. Black jacket.
Okay, it's a black jacket. Is it for girls or for boys?
Boy.
Okay, can you move it? Good job, Maya. How about this? What's this?
Yeah. Purple shoes.
Purple for boys or for girls?
Girls.
Okay, can you move it? Okay, good job, Maya. How about this? Eyeglass.
Eyeglass.
Okay, so you can move it. Can you see the arrow? You can move. You can touch the arrow and then move it to the girls. Yeah. Okay, please wait. Yeah. Click it. Okay. See the arrow. Use the arrow because it's small. Okay. Good job, Maya. How about this? The black eyeglass for boys or for girls?
For boys.
Okay, can you move it up? Okay. Okay, good job, Maya. How about this?
Shoes.
Shoes for boys or for girls? For boys. Okay, and the last one, what's this?
Dress.
It's a dress. And what is the color?
It's purple.
Purple. Okay, can you move the dress to the boy or girl?
Girls.
Okay. Okay, good job, Maya. Great job for the second part of your speaking test. Let's move on to the third part. You will answer picture 1, picture 2, picture 3, or picture 4. So which one is not for girls?
Picture 3.
Picture 3. Good job. And here, which one is not for boys?
Picture 3.
Picture 3. Which one is not a body part?
Picture 1.
Yes, okay, good job. Next, which one is not a clothes?
Picture 4.
Good job. Which one is not a winter clothes?
Picture 3.
Good job, Maya, for the third part of your speaking test. Let's move on to the last part of your speaking test. You will answer all the questions, Maya. What are you wearing today?
I'm wearing black shirt
Mm-hmm.
and black trousers.
Yes, you are wearing a jumper and a trousers today. And what do you wear in winter?
Um,
I wear.
I'm wearing a jacket,
Mm-hmm.
shirt,
Mm-hmm.
a trouser,
Okay, very good. And what do you wear in the summer?
and dress.
I wear dress. Yes, another dress and
Dress and
Do you wear skirt?
It is good.
Okay, and t-shirt also. Have you got short or long hair, Maya? I have
I have long hair.
long hair, yes. And who is your friend in the classroom?
Is your friend?
My friend,
My friend is Daisy.
Daisy. And what is Daisy wearing today?
He is wearing a,
Mm-hmm.
a shirt
A shirt and
and trousers.
trousers. Okay. Does your mom wear dresses?
No, she, no, she doesn't.
Okay. And what does your dad wear in the winter? Yeah, what does your dad wear in winter? My dad
My dad
wear
jacket
and
shirt.
shirt. Okay, in winter. Okay, job well done. Maya, we are finished in your speaking test today, but you did a very great job. Okay, so before we end your speaking test, let's say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Yes, job well done, Maya. See you again on our next speaking test. Bye bye.